So here we have our 12 cranial nerves. These nerves are located in our head and on our shoulders. They are the nerves that pass through our brain to help our bodies move correctly and also feel. We have two types of nerves in our bodies, which are sensory, and those are the nerves that help us with our five senses: touch, smell, hearing, taste, and vision. And our motor nerves, which help us move correctly. So our number one nerve is our olfactory, and that is a sensory nerve, and it helps with our smell. So for example, if when you come home from school and your mom's cooking dinner, then that's what you're smelling. That's using your olfactory nerve. Our second nerve is our optic nerve, which is responsible for vision, and that is also a sensory nerve. Our third nerve is our ocular motor, and this does most of our eye movement. As you can see, it's our eyebrows. So if you practice, you can move your eyebrows up and down, and it moves our eye, and it does a majority of our eye movement, such as opening our eye. Our fourth nerve is our trochlear nerve. It also moves the eye, and it's a motor nerve, but it helps us look down specifically. Our fifth nerve is our trigeminal nerve. It is responsible for our face feelings, such as temperature and pain in our face. So when you have a fever, that's the nerve that's telling your body that you are not feeling well. And it helps with chewing, since it is a mixed nerve with motor and sensory. And our next nerve is our abducens, which also moves the eye, but specifically it moves our eye side to side without moving our head, and that is a motor nerve. Our seventh nerve is our facial nerve, and it is both sensory and motor. It moves our face, such as when you're sad and you're frowning, and when you're happy and you're smiling. And it also helps with our talking and speech. Our eighth nerve is our vestibular cochlear, or auditory, to make it easier. And this helps with our hearing, and it's sensory because it also helps with our balance. Our ninth nerve is our glossopharyngeal nerve, and it is both a sensory and a motor nerve. And it helps with our taste and our swallowing, and it also helps with our gag reflex. So you know when you don't feel good and your mom makes you take medicine and you gag and you don't feel good? That's our gag reflex. Our 10th nerve is our vagus nerve. That is what helps with our heart rate and digestion of after you eat, and it also helps with our parasympathetic. For example, if you see a big bear and you are scared, you need to run. That's our parasympathetic. That's our body telling us we need to run or fight. Our 11th nerve is our spinal accessory nerve, and it's only a motor nerve, and it helps move our head and shrug our shoulders. And our last nerve, our 12th nerve, is the hypoglossal, which moves our tongue. So when you're mad at someone and you stick your tongue out, that's what that's mainly for. It also helps with our talking, so that's a motor nerve. Thank you.